Here's another great RV from Alberta's owned and operated RV dealer, Western RV Country.
Hi, my name is Annabelle, and today we're going to be looking at the Flagstaff Super Lite by Forest River. Let's take a look.
This walkthrough video is designed to quickly show you the basic layout and features of this RV. If you're viewing it on our website, you'll find all the specifications right below the screen. The best way to view this beautiful unit is to put yourself in it. Stop by your local Western RV Country dealership to see and feel the difference when you're treated like family. Now, like a brochure, this video is only a representation of the manufacturer's floor plan. Just like a home, there are many variations of every RV made. Features, options, colors, fabrics, and other specifications may be different from one RV to the next. So it's important to contact a Western RV Country team member for actual details about this floor plan. While watching this video, take note of the innovative ways the manufacturer has used every possible space for storage and practicality. But there are many features not shown, and we don't have the time to show you all of them in this short video. You really have to come in and see this RV to fully appreciate all that this unit has to offer. No matter where you go in Alberta, Western RV Country has you covered. And we will never forget why our company was originally started, to ensure that every customer is treated fairly and with respect. No matter how big Western RV Country becomes, we will endeavor to remain the hometown dealership where every customer feels like family and where every customer is a Western RV Country customer for life. So, for the best deal in Alberta, come to any one of our locations. We are continuously adding more inventory, so be sure to subscribe and follow our YouTube channel.